If you are looking for the best torque wrench, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. TEKTON 24335. This slick and professional-looking torque wrench uses a high-contrast scale that's incredibly easy to read, and clicks when it reaches a specified preset torque value, completely removing the need to try and guess how tight or loose each nut is. The design is completely devoid of plastic parts in favor of steel replacements, increasing the wrench's durability, and offers an excellent level of strength compared to mixed-material wrenches. Thanks to its reversible head, it can drive in bolts and fasteners from both sides, with or without a torque measuring scale. Ships pre-calibrated to +4% accuracy and ready to use. Number 2. EPAuto 3/8" Drive Click Torque Wrench. The convenient, compact design of this torque wrench makes it easy to store away in a variety of different places, with its carrying case being both protective and equally compact. Despite its size, the dual range scale is easy to read thanks to their dual contrast design, and the entire tool has a corrosion-resistant satin finish that can keep it safe from natural damage in a range of poor weather and storage conditions. As with many wrench designs, it keeps the handy click sounds that tell you when you've reached your preset torque level. Number 3. Pro Bike Tool 1/4" Drive Click Torque Wrench Set. This pre-calibrated torque wrench offers high precision and easy adjustment, making the process of measuring and altering the torque of individual fasteners extremely simple and convenient. It comes with a range of different hex styles for dealing with different bolt types, and the excellent calibration means that you'll almost always be within a tiny percentage of your intended target torque. The spring-loaded clicking mechanism makes a loud sound when you reach the desired torque setting. Spring-loaded adjustment collar automatically locks in place at the desired torque setting. Number 4. Capri Tools 310001080 Foot-Pound Torque Wrench. If you are ready to get quality at affordable prices, then this is a precise torque wrench to buy. It comes from chrome vanadium with a matte finish, hence durable and classy. Luckily, Capri comes calibrated and ready for use with +4% accuracy. Moreover, it has a pulse stop technology where you feel and hear the desired torque limit. Lastly, 3/8" drive is lightweight and easy to transport. However, the 31000 has a very narrow range of torque ranging between 10 and 80 feet lbs, which makes it suitable for small fasteners. Number 5. ETORK Click Style Torque Wrench. This ETORK torque wrench is designed to work in both clockwise and counterclockwise directions, letting you adjust fasteners from a range of different angles without needing to put yourself in awkward or uncomfortable spots. The +3% accuracy margin ensures that you'll get very close to your intended target even if you're not exactly on it. Hardened alloy steel ensures that the entire tool won't wear down easily with frequent use. This torque wrench maintains all the standards set by the American National Standard ASME. It comes with a tooth ratchet head that allows you to enjoy smooth operability.
click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.